Q1151. What minimum visibility is required for sUAS operations? A. 1 miles. B. 3 miles. C. 4 miles. The correct answer is B. The minimum visibility required for sUAS operations depends on the type of operation and the airspace in which the operation takes place. In Class G airspace, there is no specific minimum visibility requirement for sUAS operations. However, for sUAS operations in other classes of airspace, such as Class B, C, D, or E airspace, the minimum visibility required is 3 miles. 1152. The minimum distance from clouds required for sUAS Part 107 operations is A. Clear of clouds. B. 500 feet below, 2,000 feet horizontally. C. 500 feet above, 1,000 feet horizontally. The correct answer is B. According to Part 107 regulations, sUAS operations are not allowed in or above clouds. To ensure separation from clouds, the sUAS must remain at least 500 feet below the clouds and 2,000 feet horizontally away from them. This requirement helps to maintain visual line of sight between the sUAS and remote pilot, and also reduces the risk of collision with clouds or other aircraft that may be in or above the clouds. 1271. The weather report lists the ceiling at 800 feet. What is the highest you can operate your sUAS? A. 200 feet AGL. B. 800 feet AGL. C. 300 feet AGL. The correct answer is C. The minimum distance between a sUAS and a cloud, as per Part 107, must be 500 feet below the cloud. 300 feet AGL is 800 minus 500. 1153. What feature is normally associated with the cumulus stage of a thunderstorm? A. Roll cloud. B. Continuous updraft. C. Frequent lightning. The correct answer is B. During the cumulus stage, the warm air rises and cools, and the water vapor condenses to form cumulus clouds. The updrafts continue to feed the storm, causing the cloud to grow vertically. Eventually, the cloud reaches a point where it can no longer support the weight of the water droplets and ice crystals, and the downdrafts begin. This marks the transition from the cumulus stage to the mature stage of the thunderstorm. Roll clouds and frequent lightning are more commonly associated with the mature stage of a thunderstorm. 1154. Which weather phenomenon signals the beginning of the mature stage of a thunderstorm? A. The appearance of an anvil top. B. Precipitation beginning to fall. C. Maximum growth rate of the clouds. The correct answer is B. The mature stage of a thunderstorm is characterized by both updrafts and downdrafts coexisting within the cloud. This is often when precipitation begins to fall from the cloud, which is a signal that the storm is becoming more organized and potentially more hazardous. The appearance of an anvil top is typically associated with the dissipating stage of a thunderstorm, while the maximum growth rate of the clouds can occur during the cumulus stage.